Hello everyone. So, are there images, or rather free images, in the Wix website that you can use in designing or setting your Wix website? Okay, so let's know. So, let's go to the media icon located at the left side of the screen. So, that's media icon. Let's click it. Okay, and as you can see, you can upload videos from your media, from your computer, from Facebook, Instagram, Google Drive, and Google Photos. Okay, but if you are going to scroll it down, you will see a lot of photos right here. So they even have this button, show more button, to click, and it will show you a lot of photos to choose from. Okay, so those are different photos. You can use them for free, guys. Okay, let's take a look at the other one. Okay, this one. Okay, so guys, there are a lot of photos in the Wix website that you can use for free. So if you find this video helpful, please click like button and hit subscribe as well. Okay, so thank you very much.